development requires a solid foundation. Aggregates are the strength of the foundation. Crushing is more than just the pulverization of stone. It is the lifeblood of cities, an indispensable driving force behind bridges, roads, and buildings. In the global sand and gravel crushing industry, Andamine is dedicated to research and development, manufacturing, and services, delivering efficient and stable crushing solutions to our clients. At our specialized production bases, every process adheres to stringent standards. Intelligent manufacturing and rigorous testing ensure Andamine's unwavering quality. Choosing Andamine is more than just choosing the piece of equipment. It is choosing the promise of reliability. Wherever you are in the world, we stand by your side. Forging ahead, empowering efficiency through innovation, safeguarding the future with responsibility.